Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. The kids are sleeping, it's an early morning. It's supposed to be nice and warm for the next few days, so we're gonna get some work done on the van. Picked up two roof racks, so we're gonna put those on the van. I'm gonna put the cargo box on top, so I have more space for cargo. At the same time, I've got a third solar panel gonna go up. It's another 200 watt solar panel. This is the one that was on the car to begin with, but when I first started, that'll put a total of 600 watts on the van. So we're gonna get those roof racks up there. But yeah, let's get started. See how this works out. So it kind of looks like we might have an issue. Let's check this out. I might be able to close the vent and be able to open the cargo carrier. Okay, let's give it a try. Yeah, I think that'll do. Plenty of clearance. That looks good. I got lots of clearance. I can open the roof rack carrier, and when I'm done in the fiddling around in there, I can open my roof vent. That's pretty good. It does hang over the window, but if you technically look at it, it's in line with the bumper, and the solar panel's gonna do the same thing. So let's give it a try. I don't know if I could have done that any better. That is so perfect. Yeah, it sticks out the back. But it doesn't stick out as bad as the cargo carrier. Awesome. There's a view from the back. This is looking good. I don't know how I'm gonna mount this yet. I'll figure that out, I guess. And this is just a matter of plugging it in with a fuse, tying down some wires. Once the solar panel's tied into the roof, I can go inside and wire in the last solar controller, which is a 7515 Victron with Bluetooth, so it can smart network with the other solar controller, and the other solar controller is connected to the solar ports here. Got two SAE ports here, which can capable of running 200 watts each. So maybe eventually I'll have two solar panels that are solar mounted that I can just pull out, put on the ground, plug in, clickety bam, all ready to go. And then I'll have 1,000 watts full solar. Jeez, I almost technically should just get an air conditioner in here. I don't know where I'd put it, but yeah, let's just get this screwed down. Okay, that's all tightened up and done. Roof rack is mounted, it looks good. Now I just gotta figure out what to do to mount this solar panel to the roof rack. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna do that yet. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna pull out some sawhorses, get a felt pan, mark exactly where the roof rack's gonna sit on the solar panel, and then we'll drill some holes and we'll figure some stuff out. I'll catch you guys in a bit when I figure things out. Had to run to the store, grab some hardware, but we've got a little metal plate here, got 2 bolts, got the Renogy bolt brackets that came with it, and then bolted it to that as well. So that's got the Z bracket. I was able to get all 4 corners bolted down. It's solid. Give it a good shake test. It ain't going anywhere. It's pretty solid. It looks pretty cool too. Got it all buttoned up. It's all tied into the solar disconnect. I'm gonna put a couple more zip ties on it and get it all secure so it doesn't bounce around too much. But 400 watts, 200 watts. This is connected to the 7515 Victron. That's connected to a 130 Victron. She's all good to go. So we're gonna grab some more stuff out of the trailer, put my fishing kit in there, my fishing tackle box, a few other things I wanna grab out of the trailer. There's my trailer, there's my boat. We'll go fishing later on, but today we're gonna go traveling, get that all prepared. I've even got 2 more solar panels in here. So we're gonna dig through here, grab a couple things that I'm gonna need camping up north. Yeah, I'll just go through this off camera and figure it out when I'm ready. I don't have space. The solar panels is more like off grid. We're gonna park the van for, you know, a couple weeks. So we'll pull up the extra solar panels, hook them up, and have, you know, 800,000 watts or something like that. So we'll have full panels ready to go, but that's a future project where we'll do that this summer when that comes along. We'll get that all ready to go. We'll take the boat out, we'll go fishing, all that fun stuff, but we're gonna go play around in the van for a little while. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I think that's gonna be it for today. It's just a short little clip about me putting my solar panel, my roof cargo carrier on top of my nice brand new roof racks. They don't have locks. We'll have to figure that out because I like it to be safe, but yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.